So my son and I decided to do a hologram box that we saw on YouTube, and it's basically just some trapezoid shapes that you cut out of some acrylic. You need a little ruler and then some acrylic, and we used a box cutter and a permanent marker so we could trace it onto the acrylic. But anyway, so you cut out the pieces, and once you cut out the pieces, you put them all together, and this is what it looks like. So then you get this on YouTube. They have these holograms that you can play, and then you put this box on your phone. And I'm about to show you what the finished effect is gonna look like. It is freaking awesome. Dang, that is so cool. That is so cool.